Hello, my name is Dani Gustiana and my friend Tidor Ferdiana. We are dentists from Indonesia. If you are afraid of dentist and dental drill, don't worry, you are not alone. In order to anticipate this problem, we invented the singing dental drill.
Aku mau mendampingi dirimu. Aku mau cintai kekuranganmu.
There are two types of the singing dental drill. The first one is the separated singing dental drill. It means that the music player below the drill.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle.
The second is integrated singing dental drill. It means that the music player inside the drill.
Apa kabarnya pujaan hatiku?
But could be sterilized easily. As we all know, the dental drill sound is the most annoying things during dental treatment. In this technology, we are using devices to press the sound wave so that there will be no sound out of the drill. A rubber doll head is also put on the drill to make it more interesting for the child patient and reduce furthermore from the rotary bearings and air sound. From the singing dental drill, we finally invented the finger dental drill. This is the new technology for the children. This is made to treat children as it could be hidden in the palm, and dentists can use this drill to clean the caries at the most difficult area. The singing dental drill and the finger dental drill have been registered as patent right in Ministry of Law Republic of Indonesia.